Welcome back to another Yeah, I Smoke It.
Today we're going to smoke some beef dino ribs on my Weber Smoky Mountain. The ingredients for today are quite simple. You just need some mayonnaise, dry rub, brown sugar, mango nectar, all natural molasses, cayenne pepper, and a little bit of your favorite barbecue sauce. I am unwrapping my dino rib that I picked up from my butcher. This is just a 3-section rib. This is roughly about 4.5 pounds. So I'm just grabbing a heaping tablespoon of real mayonnaise, throw it on there, rub it in all over, side, backs. You want to use this as your sticking base for your dry rub. Now you want to spread your dry rub as heavy as you like. My philosophy on any kind of dry rub is you can put as much as you want, but only a certain amount is going to stick, and what's going to fall off is going to fall off. So the question is, can you go too heavy? No. Can you go too light? Absolutely. You want to refrigerate this unwrapped, uncovered for about 30 minutes. So before I even started messing with the protein, I actually had the smoker started and kind of getting up the temperature. You want to smoke this around 275 to 300, and anywhere between that range is fine. Set the ribs bone side down, close the lid, and you should be good to go. So for this smoke, I'm using chunks of apple and chunks of hickory. You want 3 chunks of each, roughly about a tennis ball size.
Been about an hour and a half. Let me check this and spritz it.
So I actually spritzed it about 4 times. So it's been about an hour since I first spritzed it. You can see the bones, the meat's pulled back from the bone, and I think it's ready. The bark is built up somewhat, so I'm taking it off and setting it on the counter. So there's no magic amount of brown sugar. If you notice, I didn't put any sort of measurements in terms of my ingredients. Put as much brown sugar as you want, both sides. Put as little, put as much as you want based on taste and how you like your meat. Secondly, I just poured a little bit of this mango nectar. Again, pour as much as you want or pour as little as you want. What I did there was just enough for what I like. Ran out of foil, or the foil didn't wrap enough, so I grabbed a second layer and threw it back on the grill. And there it is, the spatchcock chicken and the final product. You know what? Turned out really well. Really happy on how it came out. But when I do it again, I think I'm going to leave it on just a little bit longer and get the internal temperature around 204 degrees. I forgot to document this, but when you take it out of the foil, make sure you save the juices. This is where you want to mix in some more brown sugar with the juice, a little bit of the mango nectar, and also the molasses. Again, there's no special measurement or specific measurement. You just add in what you want until it comes out to the flavor and the taste that you're looking for. And as you can see, there's a combination of all the sauce, the brown sugar, the mango juice, and the molasses. It's dripping right off that beef bone, and I tell you what, that sucker was on point. Again, thank you for watching. If you haven't, please drop a like, drop a comment, and definitely please subscribe and share this video with anybody you think that can benefit from it.